Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account that we have in Phoneword. Tap on her profile picture or profile icon to the bottom right corner to access your profile. In the top right corner, you'll find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on these lines to access the settings menu. At the topmost part, you'll see Settings and Privacy, and if you tap on it, you'll find the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down and find Who Can See Your Content. Under that, you'll see an option labeled Block. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the accounts you have blocked on Instagram. To unblock someone, simply find their username in the list. Once you've located the user that you want to unblock, just click the unblock button across the username of the user. Confirm that you want to unblock this user by tapping on the unblock button. And that's it. You successfully unblocked someone on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!